Sometimes it is not possible to directly take summation of a series. So what we do is we use the cancellation method. So we want to find the sum of this series, which is 1, or we can say 1 over 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 2 plus 1 over 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on up to 1 over 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on up to n. Here the last term is 1 over 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on up to n. And the denominator is the sum of first n natural numbers. We know that it is n times n plus 1 over 2. So we can also write it as 2 over n times n plus 1. This is the nth term. And we know that in order to find the sum, we need to take the summation of this. But we'll not be able to take the summation of the right-hand side directly. What we can do is we can split the denominator in such a way that we have two different terms. So for that, what we can do is we can write Tn as 2 common 1 over n times n plus 1, that is 2 times n plus 1 minus n. So I am adding n and subtracting n from the numerator. And now we can split the terms like n plus 1 over n times n plus 1 minus n over n times n plus 1. Here we can cancel out n plus 1 in the first part, and in the second part we can cancel n. So now we have the nth term. Tn is 2 times 1 over n minus 1 over n plus 1. By substituting for n equals 1, 2, 3, and so on, we get T1 2 times 1 over 1 minus 1 over 2. If we use n equals 2, we get T2 is equal to 2 times 1 over 2 minus 1 over 3. Similarly, T3 is 2 times 1 over 3 minus 1 over 4, and so on. If we add all these terms, and the last term is Tn, which is 2 times 1 over n minus 1 over n plus 1. Here, if you observe, we see that all the terms starting with 1 over 2, 1 over 3, 1 over 4, and so on, all the terms will cancel out except 1 over 1 and negative 1 over n plus 1. So sum of all the terms T1, T2, and so on up to Tn is equal to 2 times 1 over 1 minus 1 over n plus 1. If we simplify this, we get 2n over n plus 1, and that is the sum of all the terms.